Hello everyone, I am Liana and welcome back to our technique series that today we're gonna start a new one. We're gonna call it the ultimate technique drills. Alright, so if you did not watch if you're new to the channel and you did not watch the other ones, I did 3-4 series with the patterns in Hannon Exercises, and you're gonna find the link below. In this series, I'm gonna take one by one each Hannon at a time and play it in different way and show you how fun it is to practice Hannon. For me, Hannon is like a cardio. You go to gym and you don't necessarily need to actually learn how to walk, but you need to be fit. So this is what Hannon's means for me. This is what these fingers means for me, and I would recommend to anyone to go, if you are a beginner, about 5-7 minutes a day, or if you are an intermediate, definitely 10-12 minutes. If you are an advanced, definitely 15 minutes, every day, a little drill. It will not harm you. It will make your fingers stronger, and more agility and speed will come all along with these fun exercises. Initially, if they look boring, they're not. Believe me, they're not if you know how to do it. So that's why I created this series. You will have it many example in how to practice. So as I said before, I'm gonna take one by one and play it in different ways. That doesn't mean if you are like on number 3 to not practice how I said in number 2, or if you are number 10 and to not practice number 1 or number 3 the same as I'm doing it in number 10. So I'm gonna do this to not be boring and say and get one pattern through 10 or 20 ways that I'm planning to do it right now. So let's get started and let's get fit and let's have fun with Hannon. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome to part 3 of our ultimate fingers drill, fun fingers drill for early intermediate, even for some beginners, or even advanced, absolutely, if they don't know how to practice this and get better and faster and more fun. All right, so today we are to exercise number 9, and we're gonna start practicing today a little tiny bit of rhythm way. Again, if you want to find the pattern described in detail, okay, so check the links before, they will be below into the description, so they will all be there, and you can just practice first the pattern and then add whatever way you want to practice. So I'm going to number 9, and this is gonna be like a limping one for those that they don't know well. It's a dotted 8th note followed by a 16th note. So slower, as I would go even slower, going down. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. So first it's long, next is short, long, short, long, short, long. So every second note, every third note. It's a long one, and every other note, obviously, it's a short note. Very easy. You feel like you're limping. Tam, ta tam, ta tam, ta tam, ta tam, ta tam. All right. And right now, I'm gonna go just to see the difference. Exactly opposite. That would be short, long, in instead of being long, short, long. Short, long is gonna be short, long. That means it's going to be a little accent always on the second note, like that. Short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Slower, much slower. Are you having fun? I'm gonna move on with another rhythm pattern on the number 10. Right now we are at the exercise number 10. Obviously, again, you can practice this kind of rhythms to all or any of the Hannon you would like to do. Number 1, it will sound like that. Or opposite. And so forth. You can take it slower and then faster and faster. And in regarding speed, we will do a completely different series in which we will talk more about the speed. That is a little tricky but we'll see how it goes. Okay, number 10. So this one, we're gonna do this pattern. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick. Right? So you're gonna be slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow. On the Hanon number 1, it will look like that. Slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm gonna go right now one more way, and in which it's going to be number 11. Number 11. This one is gonna be opposite, right? It's gonna be quick, quick, slow, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow. The point, so apply it on any pattern you would like to apply it. Again, on the number 1, it will sound like that, quick, quick, slow, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Okay, you got it? Okay. So we did 4 today. I hope you enjoy it. Are you having fun? Please leave your comments below, and please have fun with this, because you can do millions of other things. I'm gonna move on in the next video with different ways, right? Okay, so thank you so much, and leave please comments, like, share, subscribe. You know, the algorithm needs that. I need that. It will be my big thank you for you to like, subscribe, and leave comments, and press the notification button on the bell button. That's why I'm saying bell button all, because it's a really bell there that is giving you notifications every time I'm posting a new video. Thank you so much. See you in the next